Want to collaborate on a note with someone on your iPhone? Here's how to share a note and work together in real time on iOS 26. First, open the Notes app. Choose an existing note or create a new one. Now look at the top right corner and tap the Share icon. At the top of the sharing panel, make sure it says Collaborate. If it says Send Copy, tap it and switch to Collaborate. Next, choose who can access the note. You'll see two options: only invited people, anyone with the link. Pick the one that fits your needs. Now set permissions. You can choose, can make changes. View only. If you want others to invite more people, turn on Allow others to invite. Once everything looks good, tap Done. Now, choose how you want to send the invite: messages, mail, WhatsApp, or any app you prefer. Send the link. That's it. Once they accept, you'll both be able to edit the note together in real time. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips.